Hello everyone, today, we'll be learning about the monarch butterfly, one of the most beautiful butterflies in the world. The monarch butterfly is a member of the Saturniidae family, subfamily Saturniinae. It is a large butterfly, with a wingspan of 15 to 20 centimeters. Monarch butterflies have bright, colorful markings, including red, yellow, and black. Monarch butterflies have broad wings with vibrantly colored markings. The color of monarch butterflies can vary depending on the species. Some monarch butterflies are bright red, while others are yellow, and still others are green. Monarch butterflies can be identified by the following features. Large size, with a wingspan of 15 to 20 centimeters. Bright, colorful markings, including red, yellow, and black. Broad wings with vibrantly colored markings. A black eye in the middle of the wing. Monarch butterflies are beneficial insects that play an important role in the ecosystem. They are a food source for many other animals, including birds, bats, lizards, and frogs. Monarch butterflies are also important pollinators, helping to pollinate many plant species. In Vietnam, there are about 20 species of monarch butterflies, including the following common species. Red monarch butterfly, Actias saline. This is a monarch butterfly with bright red markings and black spots. Yellow monarch butterfly, Actias luna. This is a monarch butterfly with bright yellow markings and black spots. Green monarch butterfly, Actias manus. This is a monarch butterfly with green markings and black spots. Monarch butterflies can be distinguished from other butterflies by the following features. Large size, with a wingspan of 15 to 20 centimeters. Bright, colorful markings, including red, yellow, and black. Broad wings with vibrantly colored markings. A black eye in the middle of the wing. Monarch butterflies are a threatened species, facing threats from habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. To protect monarch butterflies, we need to take the following steps. Protect monarch butterfly habitats, including forests, agricultural land, and gardens. Reduce the use of pesticides and herbicides. Plant native plants and flowers to attract monarch butterflies. A shot of a swarm of monarch butterflies flying. Thank you for watching. Let's work together to protect this precious species.